Hello students, welcome to Snehit Siddhganga City Central English Medium High School. So let's continue with our third chapter before the match. Fine children, here is your textbook page number 20. Before moving to the lesson, let's see what we have studied before. In the third chapter, before the match, we saw that there are three friends, Mani, Swaminathan and Rajam. So these three children and the other few students with them are getting ready for the tournament match which is going to held after 2 weeks. So Rajam is requesting Swaminathan to get ready for the be present on the ground and take serious about the match, because the full match is depend on Swaminathan, and Swaminathan is very irregular in his practice on the ground towards cricket match. So Rajam is requesting him to daily you have to present on the ground in the evening for the practice of the match. And later on what happened, one day Swaminathan made an idea that not idea, we can say the excuse, false excuse from his drill master to skip from the drill classes. Okay. So on that day he got saved, and the drill master sent him to home. Later on what happened, next morning Swaminathan got up early and he went to the dispensary. Which dispensary he went? Krishna dispensary. LM and S Shri Krishna dispensary. And who is the doctor? Keshwan is the doctor. And he saw that the doctor is sitting alone in the dispensary, in the clinic. Okay. Let's read the paragraph of 20th page. Here I have shown you the screen of that page 20. Go through it, children. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? Who is asking this sentence? Hello Swaminathan. The doctor is asking this sentence to the Swaminathan. The doctor is asking, what is the matter? Means why you are here, Swaminathan. Doctor, I have got to have a doctor's certificate immediately. So Swaminathan is saying to the doctor that he want a doctor's certificate immediately. Immediately he want a doctor's certificate. Okay. What is the matter with you? Who is asking this? These are the words of the doctor, and the doctor is asking that, okay fine, you want a certificate, but what is the matter? Why you want the certificate? I will tell you the truth, doctor. So Swaminathan is saying that I will tell you truth, means I will not speak any wrong or false thing. Everything true I will speak to you. I have to play a match next week. Okay. Now see here, the Swaminathan is saying to doctor that next week they are going to play the match against the Young Men's Union. So children, can you recall the word Young Men's Union? This is the opposite team of the Swaminathan and Rajam's group. So in short form it was called as YMU. So the full form is Young Men's Union. And I must have some practice. And yet every evening there is a drill class, scouting, some dirty periods or others. So what happened here? Swaminathan is saying to the doctor that every evening there are the classes, like drill classes will be there, scouting exercises will be there, any activities will be there. So all these classes he is calling as a dirty classes. Okay, means he is not at all interested in attending that classes. Swaminathan, who is not interested? Swaminathan is not interested in attending that these all classes. And he is saying that there is a match against the opposite team, Young Men's Union. Okay, and he wanted to present for that cricket match which is going to held after 1 week. Okay, so he wanted to concentrate on the practice of the match. Okay children, so now let's move to page number 21. Okay children, let's read the 21st page paragraph. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help the MCC to win the match. So Swaminathan is asking the certificate, fake certificate, to the doctor. Can you guess children why he is asking the certificate? He wanted that fake illness certificate from the doctor and he will submit that to in the school to his drill master, and he will get an excuse to leave the school at 4:30 so that he can present on the ground for the practice of his team MCC to win the match. So what do you mean by MCC? MCC children? MCC is nothing but the short form of the Swaminathan Rajamani's team, and the full form is Malgudi Cricket Club. Okay. Well, I could do it, but is there anything wrong with you? So the doctor is asking, okay fine, I will give you the certificate, but is there anything wrong with you? The doctor is asking. Swaminathan took half a second to find an answer. Certainly, I am beginning to feel late that I have delirious. So, what he is saying? Who is saying this? Swaminathan is saying, yes, he stopped for a couple of seconds and he answered to the doctor that, is there anything wrong with you? Why should I give you the certificate? So the same thing, same false words Swaminathan started repeating to the doctor, that he is saying that he is suffering from delirium. Okay. Boy, did you say delirium? What exactly do you mean by delirium? So the doctor is asking, you mean delirium? So do you know boy what is delirium means? The doctor is asking to Swaminathan. I can't say exactly, but is it some kind of stomach ache? So now even the Swaminathan don't know what is delirious means, what is delirium means, and he is just taking the disease name in front of the doctor and in front of the drill master. So the doctor is asking to him that, do you know what that delirium means? So Swaminathan is saying that delirium means it is one kind of stomach ache, means there will be pain in the stomach. Okay, any infection in the stomach is called as a stomach ache. A doctor laughed till a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. So the doctor started laughing to his words about the meaning of the delirium, and his laughing was like that he started coughing. Okay. After that, he took Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue, tapped his chest and declared him to be in the pink of health, and told him he would do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. So what happened here? The doctor, after saying this, the doctor took his stethoscope. He told to open his tongue. He checked what are the basic criteria for the checking. So doctor checked him, and he told to Swaminathan that you are in the pink of health, means you are very healthy. You are very healthy. Okay, so you are not facing any problem. So if you want to get rid, means if you want to get rid of delirium, then you have to do the drill practice. Who is saying this? Doctor is saying to Swaminathan. Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have his evening free. But the doctor said, it is all very well, but I should be prosecuted if I gave you any such certificate. So the doctor is saying that it is okay that I can understand your problem, but child, I can't give you any such fake certificate. It is against my profession, and if I will give you such certificate, then I will be punished, legally punished by the court. Okay, who is going to find it out, doctor? Do you want our MCC to lose the match? So this one Swaminathan is asking to doctor that then how could I come out from my problem that I wanted to get my team MCC match win. Okay, I wish you all success. Don't worry, I cannot give you certificate. The doctor is not agreeing with him, and he is saying that I cannot give you fake certificate. Okay, that don't worry about that match. You will win the match. But I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. So the doctor is saying that instead of giving the fake certificate, I will talk to your headmaster, and your headmaster will give you excuse that you will be able to go by 4:30. That will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. Okay, now he is very happy, and he is saying that he agreed. Who agreed? Swaminathan agreed to that doctor's word, and he said that, okay, fine, doctor, you are very kind, you are very good person to all, and me also. Fine, you can speak for this. Okay children, here we have completed our third chapter, visit school. Take the notes, complete your notes and get it checked from your subject teachers. And those who have not collected bridge course FA1, kindly visit school and collect your bridge course and FA1 test. Thank you children.